A Bryseithi. Gwarchod Eiron Edwards. Ricky Watts ar draws i helpu. Mag yn clirio. Croesiad i mewn. Newell. Sy'n cyfle i Newell troi. At Mendes. Oddi ar y trawst. Gwaith da gan George Newell. Creu'r cyfle i Mendes. Ond ergyd Mendes. Rhyw bodfed neu ddau. Oddi ar y targed. Mendes. Rheoli. Ross White yn gymorth iddo fo. Eiron Edwards. Efo fo. Mendes ceisio mynd i hun. Parhau fo meddiant. Gwaith da gan Paolo Mendes. Oes cyfle am groesiad. Bel ar draws i'r canol. Cael ei ddyrnu allan. Hwlffordd hannar clirio. Gwaith arbennig gan Paolo Mendes. Creu'r cyfle iddo fo hun. Hannar croesiad, hannar ergyd. Ond Hwlffordd yn clirio. Shannon. Tuag at Eiron Edwards. Edwards yn ennill y peniad. At Newell. Cyfle am Newell. George Newell. Yn rhwydo i ail gol am y tymor. Y bel hir. Chosi problema i Hwlffordd. Edwards ar peniad. George Newell yn curo Zach Jones yn ei postyn y gosa yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ychwanegu ar ddiwedd yr hannar. Y Bala yn mynd 1-0 ar y blaen. A Bryseithi ceisio mynd y fyr. Mae hi yn disgyn i Jack Wilson yn y diwedd. Ac ergyd Wilson ddim yn bell. Llathan dros y trawst. Bas i mewn tuag at Ryan Rodgers. Os y gyfle yma, Ryan Rodgers. Ergyd cael ei arbed. A mae'n gic o'r smotyn. Ricky Watts. Yn gwthio Eiron Edwards o'r cefn. Ergyd Rodgers yn cael ei harbed. Ond Eiron Edwards wedyn yn cael ei lorio. George Newell. Yn erbyn Zach Jones. Newell. I gornel isa rhwyd. George Newell yn rhwydo ei ail o am y pnawn. Ac ail y Bala am y pnawn. Fel yn cyrraedd. George Newell. Smith di wneud y rhediad. Smith. Tu fewn i Tybôn. Heibio i Tybôn. Kieran Smith. O, am arbediad gan Zach Jones. Kieran Smith yn neud y gwaith calad i gyd. Creu'r cyfle iddo fo hun. Ond yr ergyd cael ei arbed yn rhagorol gan Zach Jones.
It's been a while since I've scored, so on a personal note, yeah, it's a relief, but we've been doing okay in the last couple of weeks as well, so to get another win is good for us.
Yeah, excellent. I was really happy with the performance. Totally bossed the game. Really strong performance, defensively outstanding across the field, not just the back four and Kel back five, across the team, across the forward line, midfield. Thought we dominated all areas, and with a bit more composure and a bit more quality, I think we could have won it a lot more. Really
frustrating afternoon for you today, there, Tony.
It's just Groundhog Day, isn't it? We just can't string two games together, and I know we're young, but I can't use that as an excuse. You know, Bala is an experienced, solid team who do the basics well, and we just didn't do that again today. You know, I got players who seem to think they have to prove week in, week out that they're fantastic players by doing things that they can't do. I just want them to do the basics, and Bala were far better than that today. And once they got to concede the last few seconds of the first half, it's frustrating, and then second half, I thought we played okay. We changed the formation, but then we give them a second goal. That's a game over. Then we're never going to come back against Bala away from home 2-0 down.